Hi, Ryan here with alarmsystemstore.com. Today I'm going to talk to you about the DSC wireless receivers. I have an RF5132-433, a TR5164-433, as well as a few keypads that have the receivers built into them. The first receiver I want to talk to you today about is the RF5132-433. The RF5132-433 is a one-way wireless receiver. It supports up to 32 wireless zones, 16 key fobs, and is compatible with any of the Power Series systems, the 1616 to 1832 or the 1864. When I say one way, that just simply means that's just going to receive information and the panel's not going to be able to broadcast any information to any other device. Which leads me up to the TR5164-433. TR simply means transceiver. This is a receiver and a transceiver in one. This will support up to 64 wireless zones depending on how big your system is. If you've got an 1832, it's only going to do 32 wireless zones. If you got 1864, then it's going to do 64 wireless zones. It supports up to 4 wireless keypads, whether you're using the WT5500 or the 5504 arming stations. This will support up to 4 of those as long as your panel is a version 4.6 or newer. 16 wireless key fobs, any combination of one-way or two-way wireless key fobs. And it is compatible with the PC 1616, 1832, and 1864. Once again, to get the complete functionality of this receiver, you want to make sure your system is a version 4.6 or newer. If it's not a 4.6 or newer, you're going to only limit yourself to exactly what the RF5132 does. So to get full functions of the TR5164, make sure your system is a version 4.6 or newer. I have a few keypads that will have a receiver in them. I've got the RFK5500, the RFK5501. Those are one-way receivers. Those are pretty much almost the same thing as the RF5132-433. It's only going to receive information, it's not going to broadcast any information. I do have a RFK5564, which is basically able to support up to 64 zones with the use of the 1864 panel, version 4.6 and newer. If you use the RFK5564 on a system that only supports 32 zones, you're only going to get 32 wireless zones out of that. It's not going to allow you to have complete 64 wireless zones. So in reality, if you're wanting anything two-way, the TR5164-433 is the way to go. It's going to transmit information to your two-way key fobs, to your two-way wireless keypads. However, nothing on the TR5164-433. It will not send signals to sirens. So if you're wanting a wireless siren with a hardwired system, you're still out of luck at this point. So basically, in reality, anything else that's two-way, this is going to work with it, the TR5164. If you have any other questions, give us a call, 888-811-0727, or check us out online at www.alarmsystemstore.com. I'm Ryan. You have a great day.